Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 4. Let's get into this already. Here it is. Brand new iPhone 4. Looks pretty similar to the old iPhone boxes, just with the new phone on it. And let's get into it. Here it is. Brand new iPhone 4. Now this is my first time holding one, and doesn't feel as bulky as some people say. It feels great holding it. It's kind of heavy, not too much, but it feels really sturdy in the hand, really nice. Okay, and here's the rest of the box. Inside here we have some fingertips, some iPhone manuals, and some Apple stickers. And here we have a wall charger, a new USB cord, which is kind of thinner than the old USB cords. It's nice. And we have some Apple headphones with the volume stuff. And that's all. Thank you for watching.